Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler. This sedan has an engine. This Harley-Davidson is a steal with less than 1,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. The Harley-Davidson Wheeler Trike comes with a range of factory default features that are designed to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. It is powered by a Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine that delivers 122 lb-ft of torque, ensuring that you have ample power and acceleration at your disposal. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission that offers smooth and precise gear changes. The Wheeler Trike also comes with a host of features that enhance its handling and stability. It features a high-performance suspension system that provides a smooth ride, even on rough terrain. The Trike also comes with dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc brake, ensuring that you have plenty of stopping power when you need it. It includes a spacious and comfortable seat, a large storage compartment, and a premium audio system that delivers crystal clear sound. With its sleek design and impressive performance, this Trike is sure to impress.